Hey guys, so I am back today making more cutting boards. So I have a friend's wedding coming up pretty soon, and I also know that he's moving into a new home. So I thought that a cutting board should go along with wine as a gift pretty good. So yeah, and I would also like to make some more for some other occasions. So the plan for today is to make at least two end grain cutting boards, two sort of a normal standard one, if you can call it that. And I would also like to try and make one or two boards that are brick pattern. So I have three of these oak boards and two boards of ash wood, which is much lighter color. So it should work for a brick pattern pretty good. Yeah, and I would like to start by figuring out how much wood I'm gonna need. Cut it into strips and run it on a planer to prepare it for the glue up. Um, yeah, and that's the plan for now. So let's just go ahead and do it. So I have all the boards glued up and flattened, and to flatten these I used this little contraption that I built a while back, and it makes stuff pretty flat, but it's got a lot of issues that just make me hate using it. So starting with the mounting system, for now I just use screws to hold something in place, and it just takes a long time to set it up, and it makes dust just fly everywhere, and after a couple of minutes of using it, everything is just covered in dust, as you can see on the workbench. So I have some plans to build something different that would be integrated into this workbench, but I need some time to figure it out, and it's probably gonna be a winter project. Yeah, so for now, back to the boards. I want to square all these up and gave all these boards a round over and just sand it. So sand it, sand it or sand it. Yeah, so let's go do it. So all the boards are sanded, and we're now left with probably the most satisfying part of the job, which is applying the oil. So let's go do it. So it's been a couple of days after applying the oil, and now what's left is just applying some wood wax. Okay, so the boards are all done, and this is how they turned out. In my opinion, they turned out awesome, with the brick pattern one looking the best out of these 5, in my opinion. Yeah, and I think that that's all I've got. Consider subscribing if you liked the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.